Hi friends, in this lecture we will study about the filter function in Microsoft Excel. So here you can see we are having three columns, the division column, the region column and the revenue. Now I want to filter the data based on the region Euro and pull out the corresponding division, region and revenue. Now, this is not possible if you use a function like VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, whichever you are having. So the alternate function which you have to use is filter. And I will just show you how to use that. So in order to use the filter function, click on a blank location and type over there equal to filter and then give open parenthesis. Now there are three parameters in the filter. First is the array. Array means you have to highlight the area in which your data or information is present. So this is my entire array, comma. Now it is asking you what you want to include. So I want to include all those regions who are matching with Europe. So I select this, then I type equal to, and then I click on this. And then finally the third parameter, which is optional, that is if not found. So when there is no data which matches the criteria, I want to write down some message like not found. You can give any customized message of your choice. And then I can close parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see it pulls out the corresponding division, region and revenue for Europe. So let me try this for a different region like Asia. You can see it pulls out for Asia. But if I type some other region which is not existing in the data, it will give you a message not found. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.